Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you in the field of data science, data analyst, data engineer and Python front-end and back-end developer. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend who need job update. He need a fresher job and experience job doesn't matter. I have provide both fresher as well as experience, and please subscribe my channel. This is important part of our video. And if you need job update, then please join my Telegram group, and this link I will give you in description box. Let's start our first job. Our first job as associate decision science. This is this is your job responsibility and all. And technical skill need, like you must have knowledge of Python, R, SQL, Excel, and 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 advanced knowledge of statistics and math. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is BI analyst. This is hiring for Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India location, and this is about your position and all. And basic qualification, you must you must have completed your graduation in in engineering stream, and you must have knowledge of 2 to 5 year of experience in business intelligence role, hands-on experience in Kilkvi, and you must have knowledge of Tableau Power BI. How to apply this job? You simply click apply and apply here and you fill the detail. Our next job is from data scientist intern. This is also from Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and this is about you, and this is about roles and responsibility here. And you and if you are and if you are comfortable to for 12 week internship program, then you have apply on it. And you must a skill of mathematics, statistics, IT, computer science, engineering, or any data related field. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply here and you fill the detail. Our next job from Matrix Care. Matrix Care is hiring for data scientist intern, also from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India location, and this is your job roles and responsibility here. You have read here, and then after you have apply according to your skill set. Okay, and our next job is from Ericsson. Ericsson is hiring for data analyst for Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India location, and this is your roles and responsibility. You must have knowledge to you must have completed your bachelor, master degree in engineering, degree in computer science or related discipline. You must have knowledge of C Sharp, .NET, Java, etc., and you must have knowledge of SQL, PL, SQL Server, SSIS knowledge and experience, and you must have knowledge in Excel, VBA. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is uh, data analyst for Bangalore location, and experience need 4 year plus of experience you must have need. This is location for Pan India, and this is your roles and responsibility here. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply by creating using an account and you fill all the detail. Our next job is from CIEL. CIEL is hiring for data analyst and data engineer, and a skill required SQL, SSIS, and data migration, data cleaning, data transformation. And the location is Bangalore, India, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Genpact. Genpact is hiring for business analyst, data analyst, engineer, and this is you must have completed your master degree in the field of research, statistics, math, economic, or related analytical discipline. And if you are fresher, you are also eligible for this job. And experience and tools experience you must have need like Excel, VBA, PowerPoint, R, Python, Tableau, Power BI, and good to have. How to apply this job? You have simply click apply online and you fill the detail. Our next job from CIPIO. CIPIO is hiring for backend developer for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and number of positions vacant are one only. And this is your roles and responsibility. Write a effective scalable code, develop backend components to improve responsiveness and overall performance. And your requirement like you must have experience in Python developer, expertise in popular Python framework like Django, Flask, and Pyramid, and you must have familiar with JavaScript and HTML5. How to apply this job? You have fill all the detail like your full name, like my name is Gautam Kumar. Then I have right here Gautam Kumar, and you have right here your email, and after you have fill your phone number, then the cover letter, and then you have upload your resume. After you have completed your all part, you have click here by using this form, and then after you have submit your application. Our next job is from Priceline. Priceline is hiring for associate data engineer for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and this is also full-time opportunity for you. And how to apply this job? Before that, what is your roles and responsibility? You must to know about that. You must have completed your bachelor degree in computer science and professional work experience in software engineer and development. You must have knowledge. You must have knowledge and experience working with Python, open source file format, JSON, and Paraquet, and you must have knowledge and writing a query in analyzing SQL constructs. You must have knowledge of basic knowledge of big data solution such as Hadoop, Spark. After that, how to apply in this job role? You have simply click apply now, apply here, and you fill all the detail. uh, and I have provide apply link in the description box. Please apply accordingly. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you, everyone.